Okay, ma'am. So our topic is developmental biology. So actually in the developmental biology, somebody in the lobby, Sarita. Yeah. Okay, Rama. So in developmental biology, particularly in our syllabus, we're discussing about parent parental development, parental development of gametes. Parental development of gametes means formation of male and female gametes and fertilization, okay, and development of embryos and fetus. So that is particularly knowing about in our syllabus. Okay, so what is that, ma? Parental development of gametes means formation of gametes, gametogenesis. Then after formation of gametes, next process is fertilization. Then after completion of fertilization, the zygote will be formed. Then types of eggs, types of cleavages, and uh, primary formation of primary germinal layers. And next gastrulation, and next placenta and regeneration. So these all are we are discussing in our uh, unit and a topic, that is developmental biology. Okay, so here what is the use of development, what is that means, what is the processes are involved in developmental biology, particularly development means, okay, so growing అవ్వచ్చు, reproduction అవ్వచ్చు, re regeneration అవ్వచ్చు. So these all are under comes developmental biology. So here maximum of developmental biology was related with reproduction, either sexual, asexual, whatever it is. Okay, so means from parents to new offsprings formation. So that is reproduction, right? So here the reproduction is provide for the continued existence of a species యొక్క continuity. So some years to years, generations to generations, so on the earth దాని యొక్క స్పీసీస్ లైఫ్ని కంటిన్యూటీ చేయడానికి యూజ్ అయ్యేది మనకేంటి, రిప్రొడక్షన్. సో రిప్రొడక్షన్స్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్, యూ నో దట్ sexual, asexual. Okay, so asexual means binary fissions, conjugations, and birding. Okay, so those are all asexual reproduction processes. Sexual means, okay, so sexual is one and only process, that is fusion of male and female gametes. And in this type of reproduction, the male and female animals can involved. Okay, so that is sexual reproduction. Okay, so here particularly in our topics we're discussing about only embryology, not developmental biology. So embryology is a what is that part in developmental biology. So in embryology, we discussing about just formation of gametes, fertilization, and the development of embryos and fetuses. So fetus development, embryo development. Okay. Then after embryo can converting into fetus, means after 8 weeks that will be mentioned as a fetus. Okay. So before 8 weeks that is mentioned as an embryo. So embryonic development like formation of germinal layers, gastrulation. So after gastrulation, it will be mentioned as a fetus. Then fetus development, the formation of placenta. Okay, so అదంతా మనకేంటి ఎంబ్రియాలజీలో వస్తుంది. Okay, so here first important topic in embryology, that is gametogenesis. Gametogenesis. So gametogenesis is nothing but production of gametes, that is sperm, spermatogenesis, and egg oogenesis takes place through the process of meiosis. Okay, so this what is that gamete formation. So gametogenesis is simply known as formation of gametes, production of gametes. Okay, so can occurs in gonads. This gametogenesis was occurs in gonads. So in males, those are testes. In females, those are ovaries. Means in testis, the sperm can be produced. In the ovaries, the egg will be produced or ova will be produced. So here, if the process of sperm formation that is mentioned as spermatogenesis, if the process of egg or ovum formation that is oogenesis. So spermatogenesis was done in male animals and egg was produced in female animals. Okay, so here in general, what is that other type of new cell production through the mitotic cell division. So mitotic cell division, but here this gamete formation. Okay, so the cells can what is that divided in the meiotic process or meiotic cell division, then produce gametes. The gamete, what is that ma? The germinal or parental germ cells. Parental germ cells means, for suppose sperm parental cell. Sperm parental cell means the cell can produce sperms. Ovum parental cells, the cell can produce ovules. So the cells was entering into meiosis and to produce gametes. So here first we discussing about spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. So spermatogenesis and genesis means what is that ma? To form, to form or to produce. That is genesis. So which one is genesis here? Sperm. So that's why the process of formation of sperm was called spermatogenesis, or the production of sperm in the testis, particularly the seminiferous tubules, that is spermatogenesis. Where it was occurs? Gonads. Gonads means testis. So in testis, in human testis, okay, so it have a number of seminiferous tubules. It what is that made by or containing number of seminiferous tubules. Number of seminiferous tubules. So these seminiferous tubules means in these seminiferous tubules the sperm was what is that produced or formed. So here the seminiferous tubules lined by germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium means the parental sperm parental cells. Germinal epithelium means the cells are produced to sperms. Okay, so they what is that the uh, uh, these seminiferous tubules. Okay, so it consists largely of primary or primordial germ cells. So these germ cells was mentioned as primary or primordial germ cells or sperm parent cells. Sperm parent cells. Okay, so and certain somatic cells also inserted in these primary germ cells. Certain somatic cells was inserted in this what is that germ cells. So those are mentioned as Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells. So what is the function of these Sertoli cells? They nourish the these what is that germinal epithelium cells. They major function of Sertoli cells, they nourish the cells. Okay, so here first you observe this picture ma, just a minute. But somebody in the lobby ma, just admit it, admit those person. Yeah, is it visible ma? Yeah. So here you observe the first picture, that is what is that? A gonad of male, that is testis. Gonad of male, TS of male testis. TS of male testis. So the male testis was what is that? Constructed by or it having number of seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. So ఇక్కడ ఒక big violet color opening ఉంది కదా. So that is seminiferous tubule. మీరు ఈ పిక్ ని అవసరమైతే జూమ్ కూడా చేసి చూసుకోవచ్చమ్మా. సో దిస్